Tell me what's going on. It's the upper back,
Upper
neck area,
back,
right?
neck and shoulders, really.
It's been going on for a while.
Yeah, like 3 years.
3 years or so. It's your first adjustment, right?
Yes, it is.
Okay, let's go face down. Let's get you fixed up. Ooh. There we go. Ooh. That was nice. Yeah. Good. There we go. Good. Here. How did that last one feel in there?
Good.
That was good?
Yeah.
That was kind of where you needed it, huh?
Yes.
First, just let this drop. Good. Good. There it is. Your first adjustment. How are we feeling?
Good. Really.
Feeling good?
Yes.
Okay, feels a little looser?
A little looser, for
All
sure.
right. I love it. I love it.